Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do some metal detecting. I'm at a permission, I won't say where, but I have a permission in Hampshire. Have about 4 fields, so today we'll be doing this field and we'll see what we can find. We'll probably find nothing, but you never know. I have some curious friends to accompany me in this field. The field has actually got lots of historic value to it, including the English Civil War. I've already found a medieval button. I don't know if anyone out there does metal detecting or has done it before. I've done it for probably about 7 years. Found some very interesting stuff. I called it dirt fishing because you get a lot of bites, but most of them are nothing. But every now and again you do get something interesting. Got some very curious visitors. I have found a signal. I'll bring you back when I know what it is. Well, I can see it. I don't know if you can spot that. Looks like a coin. Not sure what it is. Pretty crusted up. I'll clean it up when I get home. The horses were making it a little bit difficult to detect, but they've finally lost interest and wandered off. And I just found this, which looks like some kind of buckle bracket. Probably something off of a horse's livery and levers. We'll have a clean up of that when we get home. I've discovered it's very difficult to detect and film, but we've got a signal just here. I don't know what it is yet, so we'll dig. Whatever it is. As it's in my hand, I don't know what it is. You still. It's don't know what that is. If anyone can tell me in the comments, I'd be much obliged. And I'll give it some research when I get home. Never seen anything like that before. Right, got a good signal here. So we're going to dig this one and let's see what we can get. Hopefully we can find it quick. Less editing of the video. Yeah, it's right there. What can it be? It's in there, whatever it is. It's a epoxy nail. Well, that is crap. Anyway, on to the next one. Another good signal of about 82, 83. We'll see. I knew it would be in this clump. It wasn't that deep. A lot of people think it has to be deep to be old, but that's not always true. Right. Right, here it is, whatever it is. Not looking good. It's getting. Oh, here it is. Don't know what that is. Piece of lead, maybe. It's quite heavy. Give that a clean up. Gave off a good signal. On to the next one. Right, had another good signal. Help if I turned it on. Oh, is that a coin? Looks like a silver coin. Oh no, it's a button. I can feel the bit on the back. Oh well, I thought that was a silver coin. Still nice though. Could be medieval. Anyway, on to the next one. Found a signal. See if the boy can find it. It's in the clump. Take a bit of the front of the clump off. Ah, is it a coin?
Yeah.
Ah. Wonder what that is. We'll have a clean up and show you that at the end of the video. This is a early medieval buckle. It's around 800 to 900 years old. These are two coins I'm unsure about. They're too rusted up. This is a Georgian 1 penny, probably around 1930. This is a farthing, probably around the 50s, 60s. And this is another buckle, but I'm unsure about the age on that one. And this is another coin I found, but it's too crusted up, I don't really know. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even comment. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.